Good morning. So today we are heading off to the capital, Puerto Rosario. We're going to drop the mother-in-law off at her property, and then we'll have a little walk around the port area. And if you're doing a cruise and you're on a cruise ship, I'll show you where you get off, I'll show you the beaches, and I'll show you the town and where the shopping centre is. So come along and join us.
So I'd appreciate it, folks, if you could watch the upload until the end. I have added some bonus footage and some photos. Thank you and enjoy. Hi everyone and welcome. So no doubt you're watching this because you're visiting the island, either on a cruise or on vacation, and you want to see the route I take. So I'm going to show you basically from the cruise centre terminal, as you can see. We'll start the walk at the top where the water fountain is at the bottom of Leon Castillo, and then I will walk up to the Senora de Rosario church, and then basically I walk all the way down here where you'll find lots of restaurants down to the Caldre Fleming. Okay, so from the bottom here you can basically head, if you wanted, back towards the ferry terminal here on the left, but you'll find that there's a shopping centre at the top. It's quite a large shopping centre. They do have toilet facilities there as well should you need them, but I will be walking down here towards the Playa Chica beach, and I will also show you the plaza area. You can basically access the shopping centre from that point as well. And then if we go back along, the video ends back at the fountains, but I will be doing an additional bit of footage at the end to show you what is up the right hand side. And there's you can see like a natural swimming pool that's been built there, and some old lime kilns. So I hope you enjoy it, folks. Please remember to smash the like and subscribe if you're new.
So we're right at the top, and this is if you're a cruise ship tourist, this is probably as far as you'll come. So you can do a circuit, so you can go all the way from the bottom, where the port entrance is, where you come off the ship, all the way to the top. You'll come up to this amazing church, and if I show you, look at that mural on that wall. Amazing, isn't it? If you come round here, you'll see a few of these scattered around. They all signify something. So there's lots of these around here. So come check the church out, folks. Show you in all its glory. It is a very impressive building. And you can see it's all locked up at the moment. Right, so let's head off now. This is the municipal building. So this is Manuel Vasquez Cabrera, the author and promoter of the referendum of the smaller islands. Get that mural up there, folks. It's amazing. Have you ever seen a centre of town book swap before? Nope. Neither have I. You could not have that in any town in England. Just could not. Books would either get set fire, stolen, something would definitely happen to them. So it's a Sunday, hence why it's nice and quiet, but this is usually full of restaurants open all the way up here. So if you're visiting off a cruise ship, there's plenty of places for you to grab a bite to eat and a drink to cool you down. Right, so if you see roughly where that white boat is down there, that is where the cruise ship will come in. And if you head across the steps through this bit of a park up here, this is the street where you can walk all the way up to the church. But you know, if you want to get yourself a drink or do a bit of shopping, there's a shopping centre straight ahead where it says Centro. So you can walk up this road to the top and there's a shopping centre there. So you can go in there, cool yourself down, get yourself a bite to eat if you want to, or get yourself a drink. And I say there's a couple of decent shops in there. Look around, a couple of sports shops, and there's some nice clothing shops in there. And then you can walk up the main street here, where all the fine restaurants are, to where the church is at the top. And you can make it a circuit because you can turn right, go down the hill, and then back onto this port road which I'm taking you to now. So you can have a fantastic day in this city, in the capital here, Fuerteventura. You can have a fantastic day here alone without having to book trips. So let's go over now to the beach. So another way you can get up to the shopping centre is from here where the whale is and the harbour and the beach, which is beautiful as you can see. If you go through this absolutely stunning park, you can go all the way up to the top and see the blue building up there. That is the actual shopping centre. So yeah, beautiful walk up through there. I see a doggy in a bush. I see two women almost touching each other. So we've got the beautiful view of the beach here. If you want an ice cream or a cup of coffee, you can get a Bacarito here as well. It's currently €4.50, so I don't know what the charge when the cruise ship comes in, but yeah, you can get yourself a Bacarito here at $4.18, or a coffee, espresso, and then you've got the gelato. You've got ice cream store next to it. So yes, you can have a walk along to the bottom of here and you can snorkel, you can swim in the waters. Okay, so as you can see, you've got this lovely beach. You've got another ruins of another windmill or whatever it is, got a lime kiln at the bottom there. Oh, so the port is here basically. This is the entrance to the port dock here. I'm not filming the entrance to the port. The first thing you'll find is a little park for the kids. So if you've got little kids with you, you can take them on the park. So I am doing a circular in reverse. So I will be taking you back down to the roundabout with the fountains. And that is the circuit you could do if you're on a cruise. A nice easy circuit. And of course you've got these really cool sculptures down here. There's this one and there's a shell. I'll show you the shell in a second. Don't say things like that. So here is the shell I was talking about earlier. There's a couple of them down here actually. Okay folks, so now we're back round out the fountain, which is once again here in the harbour. So that's the fountain, the roundabout, and like I say, from this You can go up the hill to the church, or you can do it in reverse order. You could do it in reverse order. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope it was insightful and give you a bit of a look of the town. Apologies it wasn't a busy day with all the cafes open for you to look at, but I think it's better doing it this way. Right, and on that we'll leave it. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it. If you did enjoy it and it was helpful, that would be very much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.
Hi, so a bit of bonus footage at the end here. I'm going to walk up the side here. I'm going to show you the old charcoal swimming pool, which was tied out unfortunately, and where the lime kilns are down at the bottom end. So if you just fancy a little walk up the other way, if you're on a cruise or if you're just visiting the island, I will show you that. So yeah, a bit of bonus footage. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
So this is the harbour area. So when you come on a cruise ship, the cruise ship parks at the other side of the dock there, which I'll show you. And if you walk right, there's a man-made swimming area over here. So this is actually a kiln. Top is where the trucks would come in and drop the coal. This is the old original kiln, constructed in 1946. Hey, down here, look. It's a strange piece of art. Walk around the front. Yeah, let's do one. Old mill there. There's loads of like old remnants of windmills and kilns in this area. And another one. Hey? Weird, all these planted trees here. So this is another kiln, big kiln. It's all blocked up now. But yeah, there's all lots of kilns around here. We've come as far as we want to go now really, so we're walking back the other way towards the harbour area. So as we're walking back, I noticed there is actually information signs on all these. Might be in Spanish, but let's have a look. It has nothing on it. No information board. Spanish, I think. What are they taking photographs of? So if you don't fancy going in the sea, you can come swimming here. The waves crash over it, Shell, when it's warm.